Hello, Paul again here from EMD. Finally finished cutting all the little foam and then gluing it using the actual adhesive glue for the actual roof liner. Done this part here, that's all done nice and neat. You see here. Looks much easier than, so this part here as well, done that. Just got to clean that little bit of glue there. This part here, sits over here, like that. So this one here opens up, the little flap opens, by little motor, like this. That one there is done already. That's the main one, big one. Let me grab the small one. So here's the small one, this one here. This one here goes there. Goes here. And then shuts that door there, see that? Shuts that door, open that door. This one here, shuts that door, shuts the door, opens the door, shuts the door, opens the door. Alright, now those three are all done. That one, and that one, it's all done. So tomorrow, that's better, it's easier like this. And tomorrow I'm going to actually assemble this box here together. Make sure this, if you're doing this job, make sure those little cutout there and this cutout there goes inside here. Goes inside that little cutout there. And then cut out there. So you can see it by putting this here, you'll know straight away. So if you look at it, it goes that way. So that little hole there is for the little flap here. So it goes that way. That's what I'm talking about. This one here and that one there. They line up with that. So, but once you gotta think about it. You gotta think of it as upside down. Otherwise you get it wrong. Alright, so yeah, nearly there now. So I'm gonna assemble this tomorrow. I'm gonna wait until this is all, it's a wet week this week. So yesterday was raining, this is raining, so I'm gonna wait one more day until this is really dry. And then tomorrow morning I'll assemble this, and then I'll assemble the new parts for the airbox, and then hopefully next Monday, Tuesday around there, start the big, I wanna start the messy assembly of the yellow 996 there, and then we'll go from there. Okay, thanks for watching and please subscribe.